Okay, this is a Samsung crisper drawer, and it gets, the front is slid on, and there's like this pocket in here where all this crap gets in here. And I went online already, and I found one where a lady said to take this off. So I did that with one drawer, and that is not necessary. They also, there's a tab right here, and you have to be able to lift this up to get it off on both sides. So you've got to pull it away. The tab is catching right there, so you've got to be able to pull that away. And I had better luck pulling it away from over here than here, but this one I already broke. Or no, yeah, it looks like it might have been broke. Where it doesn't have, this one doesn't even have the slot. There it goes. So this is what I don't like. I know where the tab is. It's not gonna work. Try this side. Yeah, it's gonna break. Another screwdriver here. They made this thing to where they did not want it off. Just gotta lift it up over that little lip. Once I get that. Samsung makes it so hard. Because that broke. Okay, so got that one off. Now I gotta get this one, and I'm gonna have to do it the same way. So got it off, and then you get it off by pulling it up like this, and it comes off. And then you clean the mess. When you put it back on, you go like this in there. Make sure those stay in there. And then you snap it back down. But anyway, you do not have to take this off. Okay, that's it.